and welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of my Starbucks hack. If you want to see my first hack, it's the iced caramel macchiato one. Just click on my previous video. So today we're gonna do the iced mocha, and this is also keto friendly except for the chocolate syrup, which is optional. I just did this for aesthetics. But this also really tastes like Starbucks and it's healthier. So if you want to know more about it, just keep on watching. So these are what you'll need.
Hershey's chocolate syrup, Hershey's unsweetened cocoa powder,
LAVAZZA ground espresso coffee. I think that this brand has the closest taste to Starbucks espresso. An espresso machine, which is totally optional. If you have any other appliance that can make you an espresso, that will be fine. I am such a coffee addict, so if you're a coffee addict like me, this is such a good investment. Torani's sugar-free vanilla syrup, almond milk or any milk of your choice, and a cup of ice.
So here are the steps to making the iced mocha.
So first, let's make our espresso. So I am going to get 1 tablespoon of the LAVAZZA ground espresso. I'm gonna put it on the portafilter, which is included in my espresso machine. And then I'm gonna press the ground coffee in. And then I'm gonna slide it in. And I'm gonna put my shot glass at the bottom. And then just turn it on and wait for the espresso to come out.
Then grab your cup of ice and your Hershey's chocolate syrup and put the syrup on the inner side of the glass. So our chocolate syrup will not only give our iced mocha that chocolate taste, but also will give our drink that pretty contrast with the milk. And then let's pour our almond milk. I don't know if you can see it, but my chocolate syrup looks like the body of a dog and a head of a duck. Can you see it? So just make sure you leave space for our cocoa powder and for our espresso. So grab your cocoa powder and put 2 tablespoons of it in a cup. And then let's put the espresso that we made. Just dump it in and then dilute the cocoa powder with the espresso until every powder is dissolved. And then pour the mixture into the cup of ice and milk and chocolate syrup. If you're not gonna put the chocolate syrup and if you're in a keto diet, at the end just put the sugar-free vanilla syrup. And there you have it, an iced mocha that you can make at your home, and it tastes so good. I love it more than my Starbucks drink.
Super yummy. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.
Stay to watch. Be so fun. Bye.